In a small village lived a curious young boy named Elliot. He was known for his daring adventures into the nearby woods, which were filled with mysteries and tales of fantastic creatures. One day, Elliot ventured deeper into the woods, where he came across a creature of immense size. It was a girl, almost 3 times his height, with beautiful sparkling eyes and flowing hair. Elliot was startled, but soon realized that the giant girl, whom he decided to call GIA, was friendly. Over time, they became good friends, sharing stories and exploring the woods together. GIA shared her ultimate dream with Elliot. She wished to return to her homeland, a magical realm beyond the mountains. But she had lost her way and needed help finding it. Determined to help his friend, Elliot decided to embark on this perilous journey. He prepared himself with a small pack of food, a compass, and a map of the local area. The journey was tough. They had to cross swift rivers, climb steep mountains, and navigate through dense forests. But Elliot's determination and GIA's strength saw them through. Along the way, they encountered a mysterious old man. He warned them of a dangerous beast that lurked in the mountains, waiting to prey on unsuspecting travelers. Elliot and GIA thanked the old man for his warning and continued their journey, now more cautious than ever. They made sure to stay alert and watchful for any signs of danger. One night, as they were resting, they heard a growl. A large, shadowy figure emerged from the darkness. It was the beast that the old man had warned them about. Elliot was terrified, but GIA stood tall and brave. She roared back at the beast, her voice echoing through the mountains, causing the beast to retreat into the shadows. They carried on, their spirits bolstered by their victory against the beast. Elliot marveled at GIA's bravery, and GIA admired Elliot's unwavering determination. After weeks of travel, they finally reached the peak of the highest mountain. From there, they could see a magical realm in the distance. It was GIA's homeland. Filled with joy and relief, GIA thanked Elliot for his help. She promised to visit him in their beloved woods whenever she could. With that, she took a leap and disappeared into the magical realm. Elliot made his way back home, his heart full of memories and adventures. He was hailed as a hero in his village, and his tale became a legend. True to her promise, GIA visited Elliot in the woods from time to time. Their friendship remained strong, and their adventures continued, becoming tales that lived on in the hearts of the villagers.